Once the blastocyst has implanted, the cells of the blastocyst continue to divide and grow, but they also become differentiated. So at a very early stage, the fate of these cells is established. So we have three germ layers that are first established. We have ectodermal cells in blue, mesoderm in red, and endoderm in beige. Now, continuous with the ectoderm is the amnion. The amnion surrounds the amniotic cavity, and continuous with the endoderm, we have the yolk sac and the allantois. The trophoblasts, in the meantime, continue to multiply and form what is called the chorion. The chorion is the placenta. It is the embryonic portion of the placenta. Now let's take a look at the fate of the three germ layers, ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. The ectoderm becomes the skin and the nervous system. So the nervous system actually develops from the skin cells. The mesoderm becomes the muscular system, the cardiovascular system, and the skeletal system. The endoderm lines the digestive and respiratory tracts. The amnion and the amniotic cavity contain the amniotic fluid. And the function of the amnion is protection, and it provides movement for the growing embryo. The protection is from changes in temperature that occur outside the embryo and also acts as a cushion against external trauma. It acts like an airbag. The chorion forms the future of the placenta. The allantois is the umbilical cord, and it forms the urinary bladder in the future. The yolk sac provides nourishment for the growing embryo. It forms the early blood cells, and it also forms the early germ cells. Now, these germ cells will differentiate into male or female gametes, which is the sperm or the egg, but at first they form in the yolk sac.